love YouTube, right? But it's a point in life where you gotta realize that loving something don't mean it's gonna love you back. So yeah, it was cool. I thought I was doing the best thing. I thought I was going crazy. Talking to a lot right now. I thought I was going crazy. I thought I was doing the best thing, right? But I wasn't. I was just basically putting my channel in we don't know what algorithm. And I could have been doing better the whole time, but I wasn't. So my channel was actually going up, but also losing. I say like a category. However you say that. A category. I'm not saying it right now, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? So I didn't have none of that because it was like, what can we say his channel is focused on? What do we focus on? All my videos say MRK behind the screen live, no titles, no thumbnails. I can't, if I take it, go see that last live I did. They're gonna know what's the name of it. It's no more talking after that, alright? So ain't nobody finna go search and look for these videos, right? And it's not what they came to see. Some people, they come to see what they want to come see. They're not coming just to, they want to come to your channel to go play I Spy on My Little Eye. What the fuck is it? You heard me? Nobody going to no channel to that. But I thought I was doing actually good. So when I deleted all the videos, all my watch time set back. So right now I'm at 46 watch time right now. But we're gonna be doing YouTube videos every day and stuff. We're gonna do a YouTube video every day, a live every day too. Back for like 2 weeks. So I go back to work, then I'm at work. But the thing is, I'm gonna tell you right now, when I've been gone, I really be missing my live. But it's like my lives, it was like I thought like I was up, right? Yeah, I was kinda up in my lives. Yeah, everything was kinda good. But I had to still realize a point like, yeah, you can grow in lives, but I started losing. I started muting my lives. I started but just setting my lives up, not even talking, not saying anything. I just watched. Man, I stopped engaging with y'all basically, right? Sometimes you can do that, yeah, but it was like I thought I was putting in all I could in, but I really wasn't coming here doing shit. But the thing was, I was just trying to get my watch time hours up so I can get monetized. Then I was gonna come out here and be real with y'all. What's the deal, man? 805, what's the deal, man? So, yeah. Hey, you see I cut my shit? My shit was just right here. I cut my shit, y'all. But that's where I'm at. So we finna redo the lives, man. We finna redo the video. If y'all don't know, that's how we coming, man. How we coming. We already been making money in Detroit. We done turned up. So we just finna redo the lives. So we finna come on this bitch with all type of videos, different type of videos, different type of titles. Actually trying 100 for sure, for sure. It's like, but you gotta realize too, I can't be on live every day. I can't shoot a YouTube video every day because I got real life shit going on. Niggas be like, oh, if you wanna be a YouTuber, you gotta put all in. You gotta be just gotta be your room. Like, yeah, but shit. When I'm living on the streets, homeless and shit, y'all gonna be like, oh, your dog's begging, so I gotta go get that bag. You hear me? That shit, you gotta chase it. Chase that bitch anyway. You gotta chase it. Oh, my mirror must be broke. He must broke the mirror because I don't see it no more. That's what happened to the mirror. Cause I thought I had a mirror up there. But yeah, that's 100 for sure. Like, nigga, I gotta chase the bag. So that's what I started doing. Like, I had to chase the bag. Yeah, it's cool being on here. I was doing my thumbnail for my other channel, but yeah, it's cool being on here. Yeah, it's cool coming on here talking to y'all. But it be like, damn, I had lost my audience, like lost my people and shit. But I ain't really tripping on it because we gonna build that shit back up. We try to do the biggest we can, man. We try to go strong with this shit, but at the same time, we gotta always remember, man, you can't have one hustle. That's what niggas be fucking up on. Don't never just have one hustle. Yeah, some people can have one hustle, but It's always best to have four hustles. Trying to four hustles, bro. Let's get to back up. Yeah, but listen, I fuck with my people on here. These my people. I come on here to show love. I love YouTube, bro. Oh no, I do YouTube every day. I used to be on YouTube every day, but they started banning me. They started doing a little weird stuff. But now YouTube got better. I'm not gonna lie. Now they just got better like this year. Because when you beat the appeal without like having your YouTube channel monetized, they didn't help you out. Like you can go on Twitter, text, do all what they tell you to do. That's the only way you can do it. They respond to you, but they still not gonna fix your problem until like 30 days or 2 weeks, sometimes 1 week. You don't know. This shit is like a fucking loop. It's like you ever play Call of Duty when you gotta get those random guns and you just pay the money. That's what it is on YouTube. You don't know what you gonna get. You can get a motherfucking shotgun, pistol, ARP, or that fucking alien gun. I want the alien gun, right? So that's why I be like, man, I don't even try to text their ass because it just don't be doing no more. But if they been doing good now, and I appreciate that. Yeah, we going back up. Yeah, we trying. But nah, I just said, instead of having all those clips and stuff, we just gonna post videos, like real good videos. Like, we gonna come out here and, just do me. Be back how I used to be, because when I first started, I ain't never do no clips, nigga. I was posting videos, editing my thumbnails and everything, and posting my videos. And I don't know what changed now. I got lazy. That's the only thing that changed. I started getting lazy, but it wasn't I was getting lazy. It was just like I was trying to rush. Like, man, I'm at 1,500 watch hours. Come on, come on, come on. I'm running to the bag. Fuck, I'm jogging. You hear me? As I was running, I started jogging to the bag. Then I just started walking again. But then I had to build the subs up too, because to get my subs in a matter of time, like it might not sound like nothing right now, but I got 300 subs in 1 month. At first I was getting like 20 subs a month. You pay like 20 subs a month? What you mean? I stopped trying because, like I said, real life shit be going on and you gotta do your real life stuff. So sometimes you gotta hop in real life. Sometimes you gotta hop on social media. Real life, social media. Always remember that it's two. Real life, social media. I know what real life and social media is. That's why I don't really trip. I ain't trying to bring my real life to social media. None of that, bro. Like, that's why I stopped, caring about a lot of stuff in the past. I let stuff go because it's real life, social media. Real life, social media. I tell you I'm gonna shoot you on the phone, that's social media. I tell you I'm gonna shoot you in real life, you dead. See the difference? Real life, social media. Always remember that. If you can't remember that, you gonna let this shit eat you up. I ain't trying to let nothing eat me up, man. I'm ready for this. I ain't worried about what nobody say on here, what nobody do, nothing, man. I'm just doing my thing. I'm on my own grind, man. Yeah, I seen Sherman University. Yeah, I seen all that. I was gonna be like, I was gonna ask Kai to let me in, but then I just started thinking like, did you try enough to even let him to ask anybody? Did you try for yourself to get up first? Yeah, you tried, but did you try? And I had to start thinking like, no, I didn't try. So now I'm trying. Like, we gonna go, We gonna do us a couple streams a day, probably do 2-3 streams a day. Talk about what we got going on, how much money we made for the week,